There we go. 1985 Ford Mustang GT hatchback. $500 Craigslist buy. Future drift car. Initial walk around. Needs a lot of work. No motor, no training, but I already got that covered. Not too bad. Body looks pretty straight. Yeah, pretty straight. Let's see what we got here. Whole lot of nothing. Got a lot of potential. Missing some brackets. Oh no, it's just missing bolts. Alright. We shall continue. Alright, got the hood off. Get a closer look at all the stuff we got to do here. Alright, the motor mount's still in there. That power steering pump's been cut out. Alright, it's got transmission lines. It's got a speedometer cable. This AC cool shit can get cut out and ripped out. Alright. Alright, let's get this thing pressure washed, cleaned out some. And we'll go from there. What? That's the camera.
Why?
Because I'm going to be recording this whole process from start to finish. From me getting the car, to tearing the car apart, to rebuilding it. And Daddy's just documenting the whole thing. So right now, just finished pressure washing it with some...
in here?
Yeah, don't come in here. It's all greasy and nasty. Just finished degreasing it and let it set for a little bit before we hit it with the pressure washer.
Daddy.
Already looking a little bit better.
I can't go over there.
take a look. 30 years of grime cleaned up. Still a little bit of rust. Nothing we can't work with.